A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On April 13 and 14, 18 Salesian cooperators from 4 local centers took part in the annual retreat at the Sacred Heart Retreat House in Ayagualo. The theme of the retreat, preached by Father David Panizo, ASC National Delegate, was the Salesian lay significance in synodality. In the Paul VI Hall, Pope Francis met over 6,000 students from the national network of 137 institutes in 94 cities throughout Italy. During a lively speech in which he repeatedly called for responses from the children, Pope Francis made a special appeal to remember children who were afflicted by war and conflict, especially the children of Ukraine, who have forgotten how to smile, and for the children of Gaza, gunned down and suffering from hunger. The network of schools of peace was conceived after years of work at promoting the permanent education for peace and human rights in the curricula of all schools at every level. The network is committed to educating young people about peace, justice, citizenship, human rights, and responsibility. The Salesians in the province of Manaus, Brazil, BMA, concluded their 21st provincial chapter with a Eucharistic celebration on the evening of 11th April. Inspired by the theme of GC29, passionate about Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. For a faithful and prophetic experience of a Salesian vacation, the provincial chapter experienced 3 days filled with sharing, reflection, insights and proposals on the topics covered. During the 3 days, chapter members reflected on the report of the BMA Provincial, Father Felipe Bozeri, who presented the report on the province, as well as on the report of the Provincial Economer, Father Francisle Borges. The Salesian Apprenticeship Center CESAM in Goiânia, belonging to the province of Belo Horizonte, Brazil BBH, celebrated its 50 years of educative and pastoral activity with young people with a mission of promoting personal and professional development. The event took place at the headquarters of CESAM, involving over 2,000 people, including apprentices and their families, former apprentices, partner companies, volunteers, bodies and social partners, representatives of political and ecclesiastical authorities. The festive featured many exciting moments, such as the message sent for the occasion by the founder of CESAM, Goiânia, Father Jairo de Matos Fonseca, who retraced the history of the institution. Father Natali Vitali, Superior of the BBH province, said in his address that the Salesian labour market in a protected way. A meeting of the educational assistants from schools in the Salesian province of Argentina North, ARN, took place on 4th and 5th April. 60 participants gathered to strengthen the accompaniment of schoolboys and girls through various tools. Some of the workshops proposed concerned problematic consumption, encouragement of digital communities, emotional education, role of the educational assistant, among others. The event was attended by Father Horacio Barberi, SDB, Superior of the ARN province, who expresses joy for these spaces that promote fraternity among the members of the Salesian family. In addition, he highlighted the importance of providing new tools and approaches that enrich the daily work of those who work in Salesian schools. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.